What up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another video, and in today's video we got the TPM 20K. This is the one with the Kubota diesel. I also got the one with the Yanmar diesel. I got two of the Kubota and two of the Yanmar. Like I said, this is just like a little review video. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see me work with these little Chinese mini X's, I got a house. I need to do some take out some stumps. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. Like I said, this is the diesel engine. It's a pretty clean machine. If you guys do want, I do sell in the Greenville, South Carolina area. This exact machine, the TPM 20K, would be $10,000 out the door. So you guys let me know if you would like it. But here's a little video. I will pop in every here and now to show you guys what I like and dislike about it. But guys, check it out. The swing boom is actually connected to the joystick. It is not a pedal. I thought it was a pedal, but it is not. Right here is where it shows the diesel engine. It's a pretty nice machine. It picks up a lot more because it does weigh 3,000 pounds. I don't know. My first thoughts are I like the machine. I like the seat. I like the seat belt. I like that it has it is liquid cooled instead of air cooled. I do like that a lot. So you maybe be able to run it longer. Like it shows here, it's got 1.9 hours, which is a brand new machine, but someone left the switch on for an hour, or I'm not sure. It was like that when I got it. It does have the swing boom, and it does have a hydraulic thumb. Other than that, it's pretty basic, but it does have the diesel engine, so that's one upgrade. And it's way smoother than the gas engines, I guess, because the diesel, I don't know. I guess they did a little bit more thought process behind these. Like I said, I do have the Yanmar and I do have the Kubota, so whatever you guys like. These are 10 grand each out the door, so you guys let me know. But there's still more video. Just stay tuned. this one has a way taller reach than the other. That thing is like way tall, maybe 8 foot tall height. I'm not sure exactly, but that is a huge height increase instead of the other ones. If you guys want me to do a side-by-side later on, I will do that. You guys just let me know. Like I said, I may take the MX-12 to a house that I got and just dig up stumps, show you guys how that works. Kind of like a day in the life of like working with the Chinese Mini X. If that's something you guys want to see, comment down below. But yeah, this is a nice machine altogether. Like I said, there's a bunch of things to like about it, but stay tuned to show more. That pretty much sums it up, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, these nice machines are for sale. I do sell them all kinds. I got the smaller engines, and then I got this bigger engine. The smaller ones run about $3,800 out the door. So you guys let me know what you want, and until next time, peace.